Hi, good morning. This is A.P.UVAREKA from Computer Science Department. In today's classes, we are going to see about OSI model in computer networks. Let's see what are all the topics we are going to discuss in this class. The first one is what is OSI model, then what is the need of the OSI model, then functions and features of the 7 layers of the OSI model. The first of all, we all know about what is OSI model and why it is important. OSI model is nothing but it is a standard model, or else it is a reference model for how applications communicate over a network. The OSI model which gives the guidelines for how the applications needs to be done or how communications needs to be carried out. So this is the what is OSI model. The OSI model, which was developed by French software engineer and pioneer Lubert Zimmermann in the year of 1978. After some period, the OSI model has become widely adopted by all major computer and telecommunication since its inception in the year of 1984. Why was the OSI model created? Because there are a number of nodes which are connected in different networks. In such cases, the communications needs to be carried out among the different networks. That's why the OSI model was created for the purpose of data communication. So this model, which was adopted by CCITT ITU, the next one, let's discuss about functions and features of the 7 layers of the OSI model. In OSI model, there are 7 layers are there. Here each layer performs a unique function. Each layer has its own protocol. The protocols, with the help of the protocols, the messages has been passed to the upper level layer or lower level layer. Here each layers communicate with the adjacent layer with the help of the interfaces. Each layers formats the data packet before passing to the upper level layer. This is the diagrammatic representation of the OSI model. There are 7 layers. From the upper level layer, there is a physical layer, the next level layer, data link layer, network layer, transport layer, session layer, then presentation layer, and one more is a application layers. So this is how the communications are carried out from one node to another node. So let's see, device A is there and device B is there. Both devices wants to communicate with the help of the OSI model, and also there is an intermediate node. Between the intermediate node, the informations are exchanging across the networks. Let's see, first the layer is a physical layer. In physical layer, each message has a begin tag and end tag. The data which are passed before to the upper level layer, each message have a begin tag and end tag, and also in each message it includes the one field, that is a checksum field. Checksum is nothing but cyclic redundancy check, okay, which is one of the mechanisms for detecting the errors. With the help of that code, the opponent person, that is the receiving mechanisms, can able to easily identify any error has occurred in the text, has occurred in the data or not. So the purpose of the physical layer is it's only deals with the transmission media in the form of zeros and ones over the physical media. The physical media can be either a wireless media or wired media. So this is the format field which are present in the physical layer. Each data have a begin tag and a end tag. So the three fields which are passed to the data link layer. The next one is the data link layer. The data link layer have a header field as well as in the header informations contains frame type, number of bits which are contained, so and so informations which are contained in the header field, as well as the data link layer which adds the sequence number as well as the acknowledgement number for the each frames, as well as the data link layer which provides the error recovery procedures. The purpose of the data link layer is it manages the flow of data over the physical medium, as well as it responsible for error free transmission over the physical media, as well as it ensures the error free data submission to the next level layer, network layer. The next one is network layer. The network layer have a packet, so that is whatever the informations, whatever the frames which are received from the data link layer, here those are considered, those are called as a packet. Here each packet have a packet type, then in the each packet the some other informations which are contained such as sequence number, then acknowledgement number, so and so informations which are contained in each packet. So the network layer which does not ensure, which not give any assurance for the error recovery. There is no error recovery mechanisms in the network layer. As well as it provides the it have a feature that is addressing, because addressing is a very important thing, because without receiving address, without knowing the destination address, the packets has not been sent over the network for successful submission. So addressing is one more features which is available in the network layer. The purpose of the network layer is the first function is it provides addressing as well as it routing the packets, as well as it routing the packets, that is routing of data which works based on priority or best path at the time of transition, as well as the network layer which provides the congestion control mechanisms also. Next one is the transport layer. The transport layer have also a message format, so in that it has a packet type, then sequence number and acknowledgement number, but in the network layer it provides the error recovery mechanisms for end to end transmissions. The purpose of the